In today's video, we'll explore the standard dashboards available through the OrangeHRM Power BI connector. These dashboards are already helping organizations analyze workforce trends, track performance metrics, and make data-driven decisions at the senior management level. The General HR Dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of workforce metrics, enabling detailed analysis through interactive filters such as location, subunit, job title, and age group. Key visuals include the Total Employee widget, which highlights headcount and gender distribution, and the Age Distribution widget, offering demographic insights. Additional metrics such as average employee age, annual terminations, and service periods help HR teams understand workforce composition and trends. Global employee distribution is visualized through the Employee Locations widget, while year-wise headcount and departmental termination trends further enrich organizational insights. The OrangeHRM Logins dashboard focuses on system access and engagement metrics, helping administrators track employee usage of the HR platform. These metrics enable administrators to monitor system usage effectively and address any access issues. The performance dashboard is divided into 3 sections: performance analysis, goal analysis, and OKR analysis. These sections offer insights into employee performance, goal setting, and alignment with organizational objectives. Performance analysis tracks appraisal cycles, employee participation, and rating distribution, helping identify high and low performers. Goal analysis focuses on goal-setting trends, including completion rates and timelines, while the OKR analysis mirrors this structure, emphasizing objectives and key results. The turnover dashboard provides valuable insights into employee retention and attrition trends. Key visuals include the overall turnover rate widget, which tracks monthly fluctuations, and widgets for headcount, new joiners, and leavers, providing a snapshot of workforce changes. A month-wise breakdown of headcount movements, including opening and closing balances, allows HR teams to track workforce dynamics effectively.
The Leave dashboard provides insights into employee leave trends with visuals like absenteeism rates, leave timeline, leave projection, and a matrix analysis. Detailed breakdowns by country, headcount, and entitlements, along with other matrices, help HR teams optimize leave management effectively. The attendance dashboard offers a clear view of employee attendance trends, featuring visuals for attendance rates, monthly attendance, leave composition, and daily attendance. Detailed breakdowns help HR teams track and improve workforce punctuality and efficiency. The time tracking dashboard provides detailed insights into employee time management, featuring visuals for time spent on projects and in locations. Widgets for time for activities and employee effort offer a comprehensive view.
The Vacancy Dashboard offers insights into open positions and hiring progress, featuring visuals for published, unpublished, closed, and new vacancies. HR teams can make use of the detailed breakdowns that provide additional information on the top vacancies. As well as providing a set of pre-configured dashboards, the OrangeHRM Power BI connector empowers your team to generate their own dashboards, accessing key information from OrangeHRM, which can be combined with other enterprise data. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact sales@orangehrm.com.